you can see there are two triangles, and one of the triangles is equilateral triangle, and another triangle is an isosceles triangle. Okay, so solution. I think Yugdarshan Boral is running out to the network problem. Uh, Solution for triangle ABC. Okay, for triangle ABC, A equal to 15 centimeter. You can use any formula. तपाईलाई equilateral isosceles भन्ने कुरा दिमागमा आएन भने you can use a scalene triangle, no problem. Okay, you have choices. So I'm going to use the formula of isosceles triangle. Okay, as a triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle where A equal to 15 and B equal to 12 centimeter. Therefore, area of triangle ABC equal to, what is the formula? B by 4 square root 4A square minus B square. It is the formula. Okay, now find it. B is 12. 12 by 4 square root 4 into A square means 15 square minus B square is 12 square. Now find it, how much it will come. Okay, it will be done like this. 12 by 4 is 3, multiply 15 square is 225. 225 fours are how much? 225.
6 under root 21.
Yes,
6 under root 21.
it will be how much after subtracting?
Yes, sir.
After subtracting and finding square root, how much it will come? You can tell me. It will
6 under root 21.
900 minus 144 isn't it? Here it will come 6, here it will come 5, here it will come 8 minus 756. 756 square root of 756 is what?
6 root 20.
Speak loudly, please. Garima?
So 6 under root 21 of them.
6 under root 21 will come. Okay, 6 under root 21. Then it will be 6 3 18 square root 21 centimeter square. Okay, we just found the area. It's better to write in decimal. Okay, let's write in decimal, no problem. Tell me in decimal. So good.
82.48.
Yes.
82.48.
82.48. Okay, thank you. 82.48 centimeters square. We obtained area of triangle ABC. Okay, now let us solve here. Also, for triangle ACD, A is given as 15 centimeter, isn't it? Therefore, it is an equilateral triangle. Area of triangle ACD equal to, the formula is root 3 by 4 A square. And it will become root 3 by 4 into 15 square. Find in decimal again. Therefore, area of quadrilateral equal to 82.48 plus how much it came?
97.42.
97 point what, Subina?
427.
427.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 97.427. Then it will also be in centimeter. 97.427. Add these two now. What it will come? 989.98917. Is it? Centimeters square. Like this we will find. Okay. Okay, it is all about question number 2A. I hope all of you understood. Okay, now all of you see this question number D. Okay, let us try this question number D. D. Let me construct the figure again. There is a right angle triangle in the base like this. It is a right angle triangle A, B, C, and here is another right angle triangle starting with C, like this. Okay, here is okay 90 degree, and these 2 points are being joined. Okay, and here is point D, and it is given 65 centimeter. It is given 24 centimeter, and it is given 7 centimeter. Okay, here also it is an irregular quadrilateral. We don't have any definite shape here. Okay, and in case of quadrilateral, generally diagonals 1/2, diagonals into perpendicular on diagonals p1 plus p2, but neither perpendiculars are given nor the diagonals are given. Okay, so we don't have any other choice other than adding these two triangles ABC and ACD. Okay, we can find the area of triangle ABC easily since it is a right angle triangle and we have given base and perpendicular as well. But to find the area of this triangle ACD, we should do some homework. Okay, so here 65 centimeters is given, but it is not used while finding the area of this triangle ACD. You know that we require this side and this side. Okay, so this side can be found from the lower triangle ABC. So let us find that one first. Okay, in triangle ABC, AC equal to, AC is hypotenuse, so we can directly find like this: AC equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay, AB is 24 square plus BC is 7 square. Now, somebody please tell me its answer.
So 25.
25 will come. Very good. 25 centimeter came in case of AC. Okay. Again in triangle ACD. अब हामीलाई त AC मात्रै भएर भएन, CD पनि चाहियो. So CD, how to find CD? CD equal to its hypotenuse, not hypotenuse. Okay, so we have to subtract from hypotenuse. AD square minus AC square equal to AD is 25 square. AC is, sorry, AD is 65. Okay, AD is 65 whole square minus it just came as 25 square. How much it will come? Someone please
60.
tell me.
60. 60.
It came 60 centimeter. Okay, Nissan Kaki is joining us. 60 centimeter. After finding AC and CD, we can find the area of the triangle ACDL. Now we can write directly like this. Hey, therefore, area of, before I found separately, now I'm going to find directly. Area of quadrilateral ABCD equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ACD. Okay, directly, no need to write formula also. 1/2 base into perpendicular, 24 into 7. It is the area of triangle ABC. Okay, similarly for area of triangle ACD is 1/2 into AC came 25 into CD came 60. Now we can find easily equal to how much it will come, 2 into 12. It will cancel 12 times. 12 sevens are how much? 70, 84. 84, okay? 12 sevens are 84. Plus it became 230 times. It will become 750. After adding, how much we will obtain? After adding 70, 750 plus 84, how much? 800 and
34.
34 centimeters square. It is the area of the axe, the equilateral axe. Okay. Now I think you can understand. You understood it. All of you understood? Okay. Nobody is responding. Let me call some person here, whether they are hearing me or not. Okay. Let me resume the recording. Question number 3. In question number 3 also, we are given some equilaterals, but they have definite shape, so we can use their own formula. Okay. Question number 3. In first, I'll not do this first one. I'll do this second one. Okay. First, after doing second, you can do second very easily. So here is a trapezium. Let me construct a straight line. Okay, it is like this. These 2 points are being joined, and here it is a right angle, and this diagonal is also given here. Okay, although in trapezium diagonal is not needed, it is somewhere here, right? It is 41 centimeter, and this line are parallel, and here is 35 centimeter, and the name of this trapezium is PQRS. Okay, let me remind you the formula. The area of trapezium is 1 by 2 height L1 plus L2. Okay, L1 and L2 are the pair of parallel lines, and we are given here parallel lines SR and PQ, and their measurements are also given. So we are given L1 and L2, and this height, this H means altitude. Okay, altitude, that means it is the perpendicular distance between the parallel lines, and here the perpendicular distance is this QR, but it is not given. Okay, so our task is to find this first of all, find this QR using Pythagoras theorem in this right angle triangle QRS. Okay, so solution: in right angled triangle QRS, QR equal to, QR is either base or perpendicular, isn't it? And while finding it, we have to subtract from hypotenuse, square root. Hypotenuse is QS here, you know. QS square minus RS square equal to, QS is 37. 37 is square minus 35 square. How much it will come?
12 centimeter.
12 centimeter. 12 centimeter will come. Okay. Now after obtaining QR, we obtain the height of altitude of trapezium, isn't it? Therefore, area of trapezium PQRS equal to 1 by 2 L1 plus L2. Okay, L1 plus L2, or you can write A plus B also, no problem. In some books, some people are found writing A plus B, no problem. Okay, we can write A plus B also. 1 by 2 into H, just we obtain 12. L1 is 35, L2 is 41. So it will be 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. So 6 into 35 plus 41, how much? 76. Now multiply this. 6 6 are 36, 6 7s are 6 7s are how much? 6 7s are 42. Okay, 42 plus 3, it will come 45. 456 centimeters square. It is the answer. Understood, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Uh, let me read out one message here. Sir, mere video error one is a video on 1 second. Okay, sometimes there it may happen, so we cannot fight with the technical error. So in C number, simply it is a rhombus. Okay, in C number, simply it is a rhombus. Just use 1/2 d1 into d2, and in D number it is a kite. Okay, use again 1/2 d1 into d2. Okay, I hope you can solve other questions from question number 3. Now let us move forward to question number 4. They are called word problems now. The figure is not given, but we can solve after constructing figure also, no problem. 4A number. Here the question is saying find the area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC is asked. In which the sides are? In which the sides are given like this: A equal to 5 centimeter, B equal to 6 centimeter, and C equal to 7 centimeter. I think you can solve it very easily. Yes. So how to find? It is a scalene triangle because all the sides are different measure. Okay. So here A equal to 5 centimeter, B equal to 6 centimeter, C equal to 7 centimeter. We require, what is the formula? Let me repeat and remind you. The formula is this one. Yes, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. And what is this S? S is semi-perimeter, A plus B plus C by 2. So find S. Therefore, semi-perimeter S equal to A plus B plus C by 2 equal to 5 plus 6 plus 7 by 2. How much it will come? 6 plus 5, 11 plus 7, 18 by 2 is 9 centimeter. 9 centimeter is semi-perimeter of the triangle having sides 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, and 7 centimeter. Now, therefore, area of triangle ABC equal to, write the formula first, S minus A, S minus B, S minus A. Remember, all these letters are written in small. Okay, small letters are used. Substitute the values. S is 9, 9 minus 5, 9 minus 6, 9 minus 7. Extend the root sign as well. Okay, now just simplify and find the value. Square root 9 multiply 4 multiply 3 multiply 2. Okay, so 9 4s are 36. Or what we can do, what it will come? 4 is 12, 12 is 24, 24 9s are 24 9s are how much?
216.
216. I think it is not a perfect square number. How much it will come after simplifying? I think 6 root 6, right?
Yes, sir.
6 root 6 centimeter square. अब यति एउटामा हामीलाई जोड्नु छैन नि त, यतिकै छोड्नु छ भने you can leave as it is, or if you find in decimal also, that will not be mistake. Okay, mistake चाहिँ हुँदैन है. It is all about 4A number. Now there are different technical questions are there which may be asked in short questions. Okay, like C number. So C number, in C number it is asked here like this: if the perimeter of an equilateral triangle, of an equilateral triangle is what? 30 centimeter. 30 centimeter, find its area. It is an important question, okay? It is an important question. So let us solve it now. How to find? So you know, to find area of equilateral triangle, we require its side, isn't it? But the side is not given. What is given in place of side? We are given perimeter. So let's start from the perimeter to find side at first, okay? So solve like this. Here, perimeter of an equilateral triangle equal to 30 centimeter. And what is the formula? Or 3 times A equal to 30 centimeter, isn't it? Or A equal to 30 by 3. That means the value of A is 10 centimeter. After finding A, we can find the area of equilateral triangle easily. Therefore, its area A equal to, the formula is root 3 by 4 A square. Okay, root 3 by 4 A square. Substitute the value, root 3 by 4 into 10 square. 10 square means 100. Okay, root 3 by 4 into 100, and 4 will cancel 100 25 times. Now the answer will be 25 root 3 centimeter square. It is the answer. Okay, I hope all of you understood this one, and quite easy also, and I already told it's quite important question. Okay, this type of question frequently coming in previous examination. And in question number D, it's just opposite. In question number D, the area is given and the perimeter is, its a side is been asked. Simply go through the area and find side. But what you must know is the area of equilateral triangle. You have to know the equilateral formula to find area of equilateral triangle. Okay. So, are you bored? So we have 4 minutes still remaining. Let's solve one more question, the last one for today. Okay, from question number 5. Okay, in question number 5, we are asked. It's very easy. Area of triangle is given. Area of triangle is 112 centimeter square. Base is also given. Base is 20 centimeter, and it said height equal to what? Very easy question. Okay, so इसको solution here भन्ने area दियो भने एरियाबाट दिएको कुराबाट जाने हो के. Area of triangle equal to 112 centimeter square, or area of triangle is 1 by 2 into base into height, isn't it? And it is 112. Now you can see in the question base is given and height is been asked. So if height is not asked also, we have to find a height here, then other thing will be obtained after x. Yes, okay. So base will be 20 into h equal to 112. Or first of all cancel by 2, 2 10s are 20. Now take that 10 to next side, 112 by 10. So your height will come 11.2 after dividing. Therefore height of the triangle is, therefore height of the triangle is 11.2 centimeter. Answer. Okay. La. Okay. Let's conclude here for today.